GPD offers two compressor options for the 2011 Chevrolet Cruze 1.4-liter, a standard model compressor replacement and an eco model compressor replacement. GPD Compressor 6512822 is suited for the 2011 Chevrolet Cruze 1.4-liter standard model. GPD Compressor 6512820 is suited for the 2011 Chevrolet Cruze 1.4-liter eco model. In addition to engine improvements and front-end airflow design changes for improved fuel economy, the eco model also features an electronically controlled variable drive compressor with a clutch that turns on and off, versus the standard model's constant drive version. Thanks for watching. For more tech tips like this, visit gpdtechtips.com.